If you think erections are only about testosterone, pills, or blood pressure, you're missing one of the most powerful and overlooked factors of all. Water. Yes, water. Not medications, not even hormones. How and when you drink water directly affects blood flow, nerve signaling, nitric oxide production, circulation, stamina, and erection firmness. And most men are drinking water in a way that silently sabotages erections, especially after 40. Today, we're talking about hydration mistakes crushing men's erections, especially for men over 40. In this video, you'll learn why mild dehydration can weaken erections within hours, why chugging water can actually make things worse, the exact way to drink water to support stronger, longer-lasting erections, and how hydration affects testosterone, blood pressure, and sexual stamina. This isn't a trick. It's physiology. Let's break it down. Why erections are mostly about blood. An erection is not a sexual event. It's a vascular event. To get and maintain a firm erection, 4 things must work together. Adequate blood volume, healthy blood flow, relaxed blood vessels, strong nerve signaling. Every single one of those depends on hydration. When you're dehydrated, even mildly, your body enters a protective mode. It does 3 things immediately. Reduces blood volume, thickens blood, prioritizes blood flow to the brain and heart, not the penis. The penis is considered non-essential for survival. So if fluid levels drop, erections are one of the first systems to suffer. This is why men often notice weaker morning erections, erections that fade quickly, difficulty maintaining firmness during intercourse, even when testosterone levels are normal, mild dehydration, weaker erections. Here's something most men don't realize. You don't need to be severely dehydrated to be negatively affected in your sexual performance. A fluid loss of just 1 to 2% of body weight can reduce blood plasma volume, increase cortisol, the body's stress hormone, increase blood viscosity, meaning thicker blood, reduce nitric oxide availability. This last one is absolutely crucial. Nitric oxide is the chemical signal that tells penile arteries to relax and open. Less nitric oxide, less blood entering the penis. And dehydration directly reduces nitric oxide production. This is why erections often feel less full, less responsive, more dependent on stimulation, easier to lose with movement or distraction, especially in men over 40 whose vascular elasticity is already declining. I made a deep dive video about the importance of nitric oxide in men's sexual health and how it affects erection quality, passion, and stamina. I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. Check it out after this one. If you like what we do here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate your support, and it helps us to release new men's health content every week. Thank you for your company today. Now, let's get back to our topic. Why just chugging water won't fix the problem. Most men try to fix hydration the wrong way. They chug large amounts of water all at once. This creates 3 problems. 1. Electrolyte dilution. Drinking too much water too fast dilutes sodium, potassium, and magnesium, minerals essential for nerve signaling and muscle contraction. 2. Increased urination. Your kidneys flush excess water quickly, meaning hydration doesn't actually improve at the cellular level. 3. Blood pressure instability. Rapid water intake can cause temporary drops or spikes in blood pressure. Both are bad for erections. Erections don't respond to volume. They respond to consistent cellular hydration. That's the key difference. How to drink water for better erections. This is where things get practical. Step 1. Start hydration. Early in the day. Morning dehydration is extremely common. After sleeping for 7-8 hours without fluids, blood volume is lower. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is higher. Blood is thicker. This is why many men notice weaker morning erections as they age. So do this. Drink 400 to 500 milliliters, about 14 to 17 fluid ounces, of water within 30 minutes of waking. Sip the water. Don't chug. Take your time. Don't just guzzle it down. Add a pinch of natural salt or electrolytes if tolerated. This restores plasma volume and supports nitric oxide signaling for the entire day. Step 2. Sip consistently, not occasionally. Your body absorbs water best in small, frequent amounts. Aim for a few mouthfuls every 15-20 minutes, especially between meals. This maintains stable blood pressure, consistent blood flow, better nerve responsiveness. Men who hydrate this way often report more spontaneous erections, better erection endurance, improved sexual stamina. Step 3. Avoid large volumes with meals. Drinking large amounts of water during meals dilutes stomach acid, impairs digestion, reduces nutrient absorption, including zinc and magnesium. Poor digestion means poorer hormone production over time. Instead, drink most water between meals. Limit fluids to small sips during eating. Better digestion supports better testosterone regulation, indirectly improving erection quality. Step 4. Include electrolytes, especially after 40. As men age, kidney efficiency changes. Plain water alone may not hydrate cells effectively. Electrolytes help water enter cells, where it matters. The key minerals for stronger, harder erections are sodium for blood volume, potassium for vascular relaxation, magnesium for nerve signaling. Where do you get these minerals? Well, you don't need sports drinks. You do not need sports drinks to get these minerals. These are better options. A pinch of sea salt in water. Mineral water. Electrolyte drops without sugar. This dramatically improves hydration efficiency. Step 5. Hydrate before sexual activity. The right way. This is critical for better erections. Dehydration reduces erection quality within hours. If you plan intimacy, begin hydrating 2 to 3 hours before. Sip water steadily. Avoid alcohol and caffeine beforehand. Avoid drinking a large amount right before sex. That increases bladder pressure and distracts nerve signals. Men who hydrate properly beforehand often notice faster arousal, stronger initial erections, longer lasting erections, less performance anxiety. Quick pause. Before we continue, here's something worth knowing. If you've been feeling frustrated or even embarrassed about changes in bedroom performance, sensitivity, stamina, or desire, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. There's a 100% natural solution that's already helped thousands of men feel confident and energized again. No pills, no injections, no procedures, no surgery, no risky shortcuts. Just a simple, easy home remedy you can make at home, designed to support what researchers are now calling the manhood molecule, a key factor for arousal, blood flow, and lasting power. Find out more. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Check it out. It could be the very thing you've been looking for. Water, testosterone, and hormones. Hydration doesn't boost testosterone directly, but dehydration suppresses it. When you're dehydrated, cortisol rises. Testosterone signaling becomes less effective. Leydig cell function declines. Chronic low-grade dehydration contributes to fatigue, low libido, reduced sexual motivation. Good hydration supports hormone transport, liver detoxification, estrogen clearance, better sleep quality, all of which indirectly support healthy testosterone function, blood pressure, circulation, and erections. Low blood pressure and high blood pressure both impair erections. Proper hydration helps regulate both. Dehydration can cause blood vessel constriction, reduced blood flow to extremities like fingers and toes, dizziness and fatigue. Well-controlled hydration supports vascular elasticity, better blood vessel and endothelial function, improved penile blood inflow. Many men labeled with age-related erectile dysfunction are actually dealing with circulatory inefficiency, not hormone failure. Better all-round health benefits. When men hydrate properly, they often notice improved libido, better stamina and endurance, reduced anxiety during intimacy, stronger pelvic floor muscle performance, improved prostate comfort, better sleep and recovery. Good hydration also supports joint health, cognitive focus, energy levels, workout recovery. Sexual health rarely improves in isolation. It improves as part of overall physiological balance. Please remember this video is for education only. It is not medical advice. Always consult with a medical professional before you take any action based on information you see here today that could impact your health and well-being. That being said, let's get back to today's presentation. Signs you are probably dehydrated. Watch for these subtle signs: dark yellow urine, fatigue despite adequate sleep, frequent headaches, cold hands or feet, erections that fade quickly, reduced morning erections, better known as morning wood. These are circulatory red flags, not just hydration issues. Who benefits most from this? This approach is especially helpful for men who are over 40, have borderline blood pressure issues, use caffeine regularly, exercise frequently, take medications that affect circulation, experience inconsistent erection quality. Hydration won't override severe medical conditions, but it often restores baseline performance many men didn't realize they lost. Closing recap. Okay, here's a recap of what we've talked about today. Men start to lose erection quality and bedroom stamina after age 40. Stronger erections don't always require stronger interventions. Sometimes they require smarter fundamentals. Something as simple as drinking water the right way improves blood flow, supports nerve signaling, enhances nitric oxide availability, stabilizes blood pressure, reduces performance anxiety. This is one of the simplest, safest foundations for better erections and better health overall. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for evidence-based men's health content that respects your intelligence and your body. Because better sexual health doesn't start in the bedroom, it starts in how you treat your body every day. Now watch this video for a deep dive into how nitric oxide affects men's sexual health.